Okay, so this is a nice day. I mean, it's a cold day, but it's a day nonetheless. And today I'm on a beach. And you wouldn't believe I'm on a beach because it's a day like this. Looks beautiful, but I can assure you that it is a little bit cold. Sometimes I wonder what these videos are about, but today I have this great thought. Yeah, we'll come to the beach. I mean, I don't usually come to beaches unless I'm on a holiday or something. Um, Currently I'm on Malahide beach. It's quite a nice place. And then what I love to see is this, the water. There's nothing quite like water. Um, it's nice. It's nice to be able to come here. Um, One of the things I'm actually doing at the moment is I'm wanting to test my microphone. And with there being so much wind about, I've always had this thought: what is my microphone like in the wind? Will I be able to hear myself talk? And if this is the best way to have my microphone, and I've got the wind, it's behind me at the moment, and it's pushing towards there. So, question is, will this be heard? Now, I'm going to do another test here where I'm going to try putting the microphone inside my t-shirt so it'll be a little less against the wind. So let's see how that goes. Sometimes I see people and they put their microphone inside their shirt. And whether or not this is a good way to do videos, or, well, who knows. But only time will tell. And time will tell whenever I'm going to be actually watching the footage back. So, if I'm facing the wind, which I am now, it's, I must say it's a beautiful day. And what I've seen is there's a bird over there. I'm gonna switch that around again. On my microphone, it's a DJI mic, and basically it has this wind muff. And seemingly that is supposed to be stopping the wind in some respect. Whether or not is the case, who knows? But whenever you're doing media production and things like that, it's important to test your equipment out to make sure it's suitable for the job. Now, today I have my lovely assistant, and she's holding the tripod, and this is very good because I'm out and about. There's windy weather, and my camera isn't gonna fall over, hopefully, unless she pushes it. If I say something that she doesn't like, so let's hope that doesn't be the case. But yeah, this is a good day, and yeah, it's time to enjoy some of the beach, and even though the weather isn't the greatest, so let's do it. So right now, I'm waiting for something to pop off of that water. Where is that? There it is. There he is. No, it should be popping up soon. I can capture him. I'm not sure what it is I'm trying to capture. It's a duck, but it's gone fishing. It's very difficult to know when he's going to pop up again. There it is. Right over there. And there he goes. Okay, so that's all from me today. And yeah, if you've got equipment and you do media production, test it out, see how it works, be creative with it. See you tomorrow. And that's